We're at 10851 Trailblazer. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Entering through our front door here, we have a nice large entryway. Directly to our left, we have our 2-car garage. Here's that garage space. Next, on our left-hand side, we have our laundry room. Washer dryer units are included. Then we also have some storage space over here. Coming back out, you can see our front door there. And then on the right side of the front door, we have 2 guest bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Here's that first bedroom. So this is facing the front of the home. Very nice high ceilings in here, very open. And here's our guest bathroom. Lots of good space, again, high ceilings in there. And here's our second guest bedroom. So this is again on the right side of the home. The closet spaces are very spacious. So there is plenty of storage in there. Heading back out, we're going to continue into our kitchen area. So here's our kitchen. We do have lots of good storage, stainless steel appliances. And we do have a large pantry as well. Now if we turn here, you can see our dining area, which is then open into our living space. We do have nice tray ceilings and a fireplace, and then French door access to the backyard. Here's that space again. Now if we go through this doorway here, we'll be in our master suite. So it is a split floor plan. Again, we have nice tray ceilings in here. This is on the back of the home, so lots of privacy. Now, if we turn down here, we do have our extra large closet. We'll show you that space here. So we have French door access to the closet. So here's that space. Very nice storage area. Now, if we continue down into the bathroom, we have our water closet, walk-in shower, garden tub, and double sink vanity. And then we also have a nice linen closet as well. And we'll go back and show you the backyard now. So we're walking by the closet. Here's that master bedroom again. And we'll take a left here. Lots of good lighting from this area here. Again, French door access to the backyard. We do have a covered patio. And then we have a very large grass area, perfect for kids and families. The yard does go around all sides of the home. So here's that patio space. Again, this is 10851 Trailblazer, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.